You could get everything you ever wanted and still feel empty. You could hit your goals, earn praise, win approval, and deep down, still feel like a fraud. That's not because something's wrong with you. It's because your mind was wired to feel that way. But today, we start to undo that. Since childhood, you've been trained to believe your worth depends on achievement. To be loved, you had to be good. To be good, you had to be productive. To be productive, you had to earn approval. That belief system, it's broken. It keeps you stuck in a cycle of proving and performing while never feeling safe. No matter what you achieve, it's never enough because your brain has linked worth with winning. And when the praise fades, so does your sense of self. But here's the truth. You are not broken. You are not behind. And your worth is not based on your output. Take a breath. Let that settle in. The reason you still feel inadequate, even when life looks good, is because your nervous system hasn't caught up with your reality. Your inner child still believes, I have to earn love. I have to earn rest. I have to earn peace. That ends today. Let's talk about the validation trap. Social media, career wins, likes, status. Each one gives you a hit of dopamine, a momentary high. But they don't fix your self-worth because they weren't designed to. You feel good for a second, then empty again. That's not your fault. It's the design. But now that you see it, it's your responsibility to change it. So how do you shift it? Not with more goals, not with more hustle, not with more proving. You rebuild from the inside out. Here's how. 1. Observe the voice in your head. That one that says, you're not doing enough. You should be more. That voice, it's not you, it's programming. 2. Speak to yourself like someone you care about. You wouldn't say to your best friend, you're falling behind, you're a failure. So stop saying it to yourself. 3. Create safety, not pressure. When you feel safe in your body, your nervous system softens, and it starts to believe, I don't have to prove anything to be okay. Let's breathe again. Deep, slow, intentional. Now repeat after me, I am enough. I release the need to prove myself. I am already whole. I choose peace. I am grounded in who I am. You don't need to become someone else. You just need to come home to yourself. Come back to this video anytime you forget. You don't need permission to be at peace. The world doesn't need a perfect version of you. It needs a real one. Mindset Daily.